Dear learners, hope you all are safe with your family. I, Mrs. Ankita Swapnil Patil, working as an assistant professor in the pharmaceutical chemistry department at Sri Santakrupa College of Pharmacy, Goa. Today I am going to discuss with you one of the topics from medicinal chemistry, that is local anesthetics. After watching this video, the learners will be able to define the local anesthetics, classify the local anesthetics into the various categories, and correlate the structure of drug or pharmacophore moiety with the biological activity. The next content of this presentation includes introduction, classification of local anesthetics, then basic structure of the drug, and last the structural activity relationship, that is SAR. Introduction. The local anesthetics are defined as the agents which produce loss of sensation to the pains in a specific area of the body without the loss of consciousness. The local anesthetic agents are the drugs which are applied to achieve a selective analgesia or anesthesia of restricted areas of the body. These drugs are mainly used for temporary relief of pain. These are used in case of minor burns, allergic responses, or in insect bites. The local anesthetics in contact with nerve trunk can prevent the initiation as well as transmission in both sensory as well as motor neurons. The actions of local anesthetics is reversible. Then classification. Generally, local anesthetics are classified into the 6 categories. First category is ester-linked local anesthetic. Second is amide-linked local anesthetics. Third is urethanes. Fourth one is aminoketones. Fifth one is amino ethers. And last will be the miscellaneous agents. The ester-linked local anesthetics are again classified into 3 subcategories. One is the alkyl esters of amino benzoic acid. The example of this is benzocaine. The next amino alkyl esters of para-amino benzoic acid. The example is procaine. And third category is esters of benzoic acid. Example is cocaine. Then amide-linked local anesthetics are again classified into the 2 subcategories, and that two subcategories are amino-acyl amides and amino-alkyl amides. The example of amino-acyl amide is lidocaine, while the example of amino-alkyl amides is cincocaine. The third category, urethanes, the example of this category is diperidone. The next category is aminoketones. The example of this category is phthalicaine. The example of amino ethers is eugenol, and the miscellaneous agents includes the drugs like benzyl alcohol. Then basic structure. The local anesthetics include 2 basic structure. That is, one is ester-linked and another is amide-linked. The ester-linked local anesthetic contains the ester linkage. Generally, the local anesthetic is having the aromatic ring, intermediate link, and tertiary amine or amino-alkyl side chain. Both ester and amide-linked local anesthetic contains aromatic ring and tertiary amine or amino-alkyl side chain. But in ester-linked local anesthetic, there is a ester linkage, while in amide-linked local anesthetic, there is a amide linkage. Then, this is the reflection, or this is the time of thinking. What will be the effect of change in the structure of local anesthetic agent onto the biological activity? Pause the video and note down the answer in your notebook. The change in the structure affects the biological action. The action may be increases or decreases. and this can be easily simplified with the study of structure-activity relationship. The structure-activity relationship is nothing but the relation of structure with the biological action of drug, and the structure-activity relationship of local anesthetic includes the SAR or structure-activity relationship of compounds containing ester linkage. The ester linkage containing compounds contain aryl group to which carbonyl group is get attached, and that carbonyl group is again attached with the amino alkyl side chain. Now we will see how the activity affects with the change in the structure. In case of aryl group, there is a direct attachment of aryl group to the carbonyl group. This results into the conjugation, and that is there is a enhancement of activity. If alicyclic and aryl aliphatic carboxylic acid esters present, then also there is a local anesthetic agents which are active. And if the aryl substituents increases electron density of carbonyl oxygen, this will lead to the enhancement of activity. X bridge or intermediate link. In ester linked local anesthetics, the X bridge is ester linkage. That means X is always oxygen. The nature of oxygen or nature of X affects the duration of action and toxicity. Then amino alkyl side chain. The amino alkyl side chain is considered as hydrophilic part. This amino alkyl side chain is not necessary for the activity, but it is useful for the formation of water soluble salts. The activity of compound decreases and irritation property increases in case of ester linked local anesthetic with the substitution of amine group in the amino alkyl side chain. This decrease in activity and increase in irritation property is less in the primary amines, but it is more in secondary amine, and also it is more than in the secondary amine in the tertiary amine. The next, there is a structure activity relationship of compounds containing amide linkage. In compounds containing amide linkage, the X bridge or intermediate link is a amide linkage. In this, aryl group is attached to the amide linkage, and that amide linkage is attached to the amino alkyl side chain or tertiary amine. The alkyl substitution at ortho or para position will increase the activity, while the X bridge, that is intermediate link, it affects the duration of action and relative toxicity of the molecules. In case of amide linked local anesthetics, the X may be carbon, oxygen or nitrogen. In case of amino alkyl side chain, in this amide linked local anesthetics, it is considered as hydrophilic part, as like in ester linked local anesthetic agent. Here also the activity decreases and irritation property increases in the order of it is less in primary amine, then secondary amine, then in tertiary amine, which is substituted at amino alkyl side chain. Here we are discussing the introduction, classification and structure activity relationship of local anesthetic agents. Hope you all are well understood the introduction, classification and SAR of local anesthetics. Thank you.